Um, Captain, we have run out of fuel. We have run out of fuel? Yes, Captain. Oh no, we're going to emergency land. Our only hope is the water or land. Do you think we can do it in the water? We can do it on the land. Or we can do more safe.
Wait, why is it too slow here?
Speed
Or we
warning.
can go more safer.
Why is it so slow here?
We are coming in for landing, ATC coming in for emergency landing. Aye! Cedric? ATC, emergency landing.
100.
Emergency
Warning.
landing,
Remain 40.
emergency landing.
30,
Race,
20.
race.
300. 200. 150. 20. 20 systems damage.
I love them. I love these. Yeah?
Our system is damaged.
What? What, co-pilot?
Oh, we're gonna go underwater. We're gonna go underwater. Oh, it's not the water. Alright, guys, the first one is done now.